1,400 light-years away, there is a planet almost exactly like Earth. Same size star, same temperature, same orbit length, sitting in its habitable zone. NASA found it. Earth has a cousin.
NASA's Kepler Space Telescope was launched in 2009 with one mission: find Earth-like planets. It stared at 150,000 stars simultaneously for years, watching for the tiny dimming of starlight when a planet crossed in front of its star. The dimming caused by Kepler 452b, just 0.06% of total starlight, almost nothing. But Kepler...
Then we began to search, and the universe began to answer. We found strange worlds first, but one day, telescopes caught the tiny, perfect dimming of a sun-like star, 1,400 light-years away. That shadow belonged to Kepler 452b, a planet we dreamed before we found it. Long before cities built walls of light that drowned the stars, the sky was a vast ocean of fire, and each point of light felt like a mystery with its own story. People stared upward and wondered if somewhere, on a world they could not see, someone else stared back. Humans imagined other Earths long before they understood what a planet truly was. In old villages and desert camps, in mountain monasteries and fishing boats under moonlight, people shared stories of lands beyond the sky. Some believed the gods lived there. Some imagined other people living under different suns. Some feared the heavens, while others felt a strange comfort in thinking our world was not the only one. Ancient Greek philosophers wondered if stars were distant suns. They suggested that other worlds might circle them the way our world circles the sun. They did not have telescopes or space probes, just logic and curiosity. It was a bold idea, almost rebellious at the time, because many people believed the Earth was the center of everything. To imagine other Earths was to stretch the human mind farther than anyone had tried before. It was like trying to imagine the ocean before ever seeing a river. Some beliefs held that the universe was too grand for only one home for living beings. That reality might be bigger than we see. Even when these ideas were not meant to describe physical planets, they kept alive the sense that existence stretches beyond the ground beneath our feet. Literature often reached for this dream in ways science could not yet do. Writers imagined travelers sailing beyond Earth to other worlds. They pictured strange lands, new skies, and unfamiliar life. In stories, characters stood on alien soil centuries before real humans ever left the atmosphere. These tales let the human mind explore what was not yet possible. They made the idea of other planets feel close, almost familiar, even when science had no proof. Philosophical thinkers argued that nature rarely makes only one example of anything. If there is one...
Here's what makes Kepler 452b extraordinary. Its star is a G2 type, almost identical to 150,000 star than ours. But Kepler caught it.
The habitable zone, sometimes called the Goldilocks zone, is the orbital region around a star where temperatures are just right.
Here's the catch. At the speed of New Horizons, the fastest spacecraft ever launched at 37,000 miles per hour,
Kepler 452b was one of 1,030 confirmed planets when it was announced. Today, Webb is now analyzing exoplanet atmospheres. Right now, 1,400 light-years away, a planet the size of Earth is orbiting a star like our sun. We finally found it. The universe just got a lot less lonely.
Subscribe for daily science history.